I'm sure that over the last few weeks you have seen a lot of videos on social media talking about how to automate your Meta ad campaigns with Claude. If you follow any of these tutorials, you may have experienced, as we did in Porter Metrics, the ban of your accounts. However, these have come to an end because Meta just announced their official MCP, and this will allow traffickers, agencies, and marketing teams to connect their ad accounts directly to Claude and, according to their documentation, create reports, do campaign management. This means you will be able to create and edit ads, ad sets, and campaigns, do catalog management, so you will be able to create product catalogs and add product data, and run health diagnosis over your accounts. By the end of this video, you will have your Meta ad account connected to Claude with the official Meta MCP. Let's go. First, we enter Claude, we click on customize, we click on connectors, we click on the plus button, we select custom connectors. In the name, you can name your Meta Ads MCP however you want, Meta Ads MCP, Facebook Ads MCP, however you want it. And then in the MCP server URL, you have to paste this URL that is in the first comment and in the description. Then you click on add, you click on connect, and you will be redirected to do the authentication of your accounts. Here you will have two options. The first one will allow you to connect the current ad accounts that you manage and the future ones. And in the other option, you can select which ad account you want to connect. You can do whatever is best for you, but I believe that the first one is easier if you want to manage all your accounts through Claude. After this, you continue, and as soon as you finish this process, you will see this page. You click on open in desktop app, then you will be redirected to Claude and you will see your Meta Ads MCP connected. Now we can test it out. Now I'm here in a new chat, and the first thing that I'm gonna ask Claude is to list me all the accounts that I have available with the Meta Ads MCP. It has listed me the accounts, and here there is a caveat with this Meta Ads MCP. Right now, the Meta official MCP is not available for all the ad accounts. What will happen when you ask Claude is that it will list all the accounts that you have connected. However, it may say that the MCP is disabled. This happens because, as you can see in the documentation from Meta, this is still a work in progress and is not fully rolled out to all the ad accounts. So unfortunately, in my case, I wasn't able to test all the features that the Meta documentation promised. So we will have to wait. You may encounter this same issue. Now let's talk a little bit about for whom this Meta MCP is. For sure, if you're an agency or a trafficker that is focused only on Meta ads, this will save you a lot of time and is right for you. However, if you're an agency that not only runs Meta ads but run Google ads, TikTok ads, or you manage e-commerce through Shopify, Amazon Seller Central, or CRMs like HubSpot, Klaviyo, and ActiveCampaign, this MCP will not cover all your needs because you will not be able to run cross-channel analysis. To do so, I suggest that you connect the Porter Metrics MCP. By doing so, you have access to more than 20 marketing data platforms, and you can merge them and cross them so you can run cross-channel analysis and get a full overview of your marketing strategy. I suggest you go and check out the video on how you can connect your Porter Metrics MCP to any data source, so this way you can get out of the Meta Ads realm and go into further lands. I hope this video was useful. Subscribe and see you in the next one.